Okay, bring her down. Steady now.
Winch engaged, paying out cable.
Watch the stern swell.
The algorithm is isolating the anomaly now.
Look at the plating. It matches the signature.
It's the shuttle.
The magnetometer reading correlates perfectly with this acoustic signature. Log this as contact of interest 23B.
Torque check complete on auxiliary seal. We are good to go on this side.
Affirmative. All systems nominal.
Depth is increasing rapidly. Maintain heading.
Roger. Ramping up the strobes. Visibility is dropping.
The structural integrity checks out.
And the safety guidelines are verified. We can submit this.
All right, finalizing the sign-off now.
This section is critical for the recovery phase.
Yeah.
We need to monitor the corrosion levels closely.
Yeah. And what are the protocols for the marine life?
We just saw a minor spike on the red line, stabilizing now. Adjusting tension on sling 4. Status remains nominal.
Acoustic emission readings are spiking, indicating structural stress on the hull.
Torque set on the forward mounts.
Confirmed. All green on the diagnostics, ready for deployment.
Barriers locked in Sector 4.
Copy that. Moving to filtration check.
Seal is green, airlock engaged.
We have heavy corrosion on the wiring harnesses here, making a note for the restoration team. Significant saltwater degradation.
Make sure the tag is secure on this insulation fragment.
Got it. The scan is complete. Uploading to the database now.
Confirmed seal on Sector 4. Maintain stable humidity levels.
Look at this cluster near the starboard engine.
Yes, the projection shows severe delamination on grid reference C4. We need to prioritize replacement here.
Moving to the next section now. Did you get a clear reading on that void?
Stand by. The scan is still processing the data.
Logging Flight Computer Unit 3. Extensive water damage noted.
Ready for the chamber.
Clear to proceed with the final descent. Watch the stabilizers.
Roger that. Coming down slowly. Confirm contact.
Start the torque sequence on bank 3.
Acknowledged. Applying 75 kilonewtons.
The residue is lifting well here.
Good. I'm applying the lubricant to the main hinge now.
Okay, gently roll it out now.
We have a slight thermal ripple right here. We need to smooth that before we seal it. The chemical reaction is favorable. This confirms it is the historic payload component.
Documenting the stabilization parameters now.
Is the logbook secure on the mount?
Yes, the strap is fastened. The suit looks good there.
Power coming online now.
Looks good, well within spec.
Make sure you cover the entire heat affected zone.
Okay, I've got the lamp ready. The indications look good.
The certification is complete on this section. We can schedule the mount installation.
Agreed. The structural integrity is sound.
Bring that spot down another 3 degrees.
Adjusting the dimmer now. How does that look on the golden panels?
So if we route the flow this way, it avoids the main gear.
Yes, but the barrier still needs to be moved closer to the viewing platform.
Approaching alignment point 1.
Confirmed. Adjusting course 0.5 degrees port.
The sensor is fully calibrated.
Reading stable across all frequencies.
This footage, captured at 10,000 feet, shows the delicate process of retrieving the historic...
That looks straight with the laser. Hold it there. All right, I'm locking it in.
He always said it was worth the risk. I still miss him.
We grew up with the stories. The main challenge was stabilizing the fuselage.
This covers the next 5 decades. Ensure the inspection schedules are followed precisely.
We understand the priority.
This section on the security breach needs revision based on the structural weaknesses.
Agreed. I'm updating the rapid response coordinates now.
The stress levels here are well within the safe parameters. The patch holds the load path effectively.
Agreed.
Check the torque on that final connection point.
Reading 25 Newton meters. It's secure. Ensure the filter channels are securely seated before riveting.
Already done. Torquing the final bolt now.
All right, that officially closes out the structural repair hours for the record. We can send this to financial review.
Keep it steady while I use the roller.
Holding it firm.
The fit is precise. Finalizing the alignment now.
All parameters are within tolerance. Calibration successful.
All structural elements are certified safe for exhibition.
The conservation standards are also met. We can sign off.
The simulation highlights the primary mounting points. If we depressurize the hydraulics, the cradles should release sequentially.
Confirmed.
Check the responsiveness on the left panel. Is the historical data loading correctly?
Yes, it's buffering smoothly now. The alignment is perfect.
Okay, the measurement is precise here. No,
I'll place the stanchion right at the mark.
all right, easy now. Watch the alignment.
Got it set. Securing the clamps now.
Hit it with the driver.
So the HVAC vulnerability score is an 8.
Agreed. We need to prioritize the mitigation plan for that immediately.
And
Yes?
These schematics detail the handling protocols. Focus specifically on the temperature alerts.
If we get a fluctuation during the night shift,
Welcome to the Golden Odyssey Media Preview. Inside the kits, you'll find the technical schematics.
the detail on this golden plating is extraordinary.
The stress analysis during the lift was critical, utilizing the methodologies detailed here.
And the electrochemical reduction.
The Aerial Conservation Endowment is finalized.
A monumental achievement for the museum. Congratulations.
The spikes correlate precisely with the high-density periods around the shuttle.
We need to adjust the ECS response immediately.
By studying the deep-sea recovery of the shuttle, we addressed the core engineering challenges.
But how did...
The insert.
The thermal tiles were the most challenging part.
Requiring a new adhesive.
Exactly. We had to ensure the structural...
The projected maintenance and staffing costs for the shuttle are significant over the next 2 decades. Yeah.
What about energy? Are those figures locked in?
The thermal coating shows signs of microfracturing near the spar.
The tensile strength is compromised in this section, according to the
Barriers approaching full extension. Readouts clear on seismic stability.
Confirmed. All systems green. Excellent. Send the completion report.
This shuttle represents the pinnacle of human ingenuity. It shows us that with STEM education, the sky is no longer the limit.
The unique composition of the gold plating
required an entirely new approach to atmospheric reentry preservation.
Absolutely. This sets a precedent.
The update is complete. The new findings are integrated.
Excellent work. Let's review the next section.
The recovery itself was a historic feat, let alone the restoration.
And now it stands here, shining for everyone to see.
The corrosion on the starboard plating is compromising the structural integrity here.
If we adjust the descent profile,